COVID-19 has devastated aviation industry which was growing exponentially has hit rock bottom. Employees are losing their job, airlines are losing their money, and tourism industry has shut down. In this video, we will try to recapture movement brought by COVID-19 in aviation industry and talk about present as well as possible future of aviation industry. Make sure you stay connected with us throughout the video.
Flight 61, the wind 0907, clear takeoff 07 right.
Clear takeoff runway 07 right, Singapore 861.
Talking about COVID-19 virus, it belongs to a large family of virus causing common cold in human. COVID-19 is the 7th outbreak made by the virus family in human civilization. On 11th March, WHO declared COVID-19 as a global pandemic. Global outbreak of COVID-19 virus hit aviation industry very hard. From skies full of aircraft, we came to sky with few aircraft. Now, let us see the timeline of aviation industry after global outbreak of COVID-19. At early March 2020, there was 10% of all flight cancellation compared to 2019. As pandemic progresses, 40 to 60% fewer flight movement were recorded in late March. And by end of April, percentage of flight cancellation reached to 80%. More aircraft were on ground than on sky, and flying aircraft were running out of passengers, making it a ghost flight. Flights were losing more money than they were making. At that time, flights were empty, lounges were empty, and even airport was empty. This restriction in air movement didn't only affect passenger industry, it also affected cargo industry. Passenger flight were major part of aviation industry. There were a lot of passenger flight in compared to cargo flight. As half of global air cargo is carried in passenger jet bellies, flight cancellation caused decrease in cargo capacity. The global cargo capacity fell down by 35% as compared to previous year. This brought increment in cargo shipment price. Prior to pandemic, it used to cost 80 cents per kg transatlantic cargo shipment, but after pandemic, price increased to $2.5 to $4 per kg transatlantic cargo shipment. Due to decrease in cargo capacity, it caused shortage of important requirement like medical equipment, food, and others. Airlines saw this as a new way for their survival. Passenger jets were converted into cargo jets in order to fulfill demand. Cargo aircraft became major part of aviation industry during pandemic. Cancellation of flight and conduction of ghost flight was causing airline to lose money in a high rate. This caused the airlines to reduce number of employees and cut pay of remaining employee. In worst case scenario, airline ran into bankruptcy and some even closed. According to a study, till now 400,000 aviation employees have been fired or are told that they might lose their job. And a lot of employees are forced to take no pay leave. Condition of larger carrier is the same. They have to let go their employee in order to survive. This horrifying situation has questioned future of not only aviation employee but also those who want to pursue their career in aviation industry. Effect of COVID-19 is everywhere in aviation industry. Airlines are early retiring their jumbo jet from their fleet and also sending a lot of aircraft in long-term storage. For example, Qantas Airlines, KLM, British Airways has decided to early retire their fleet of Queen of Sky, that is Boeing 747. Air France has decided to retire its fleet of Airbus A380. Other airline flying A380 has put their aircraft in long-term storage. Among this all, aircraft manufacturers were not able to remain untouched from effect of pandemic. As hard-hit airlines cancel or delay order for new aircraft, aircraft manufacturers are facing a serious problem. Recently, Boeing announced it has to cut its workforce by 10%. Currently, there are 160,000 employees working under Boeing. This means Boeing has to let go 16,000 employees. Problems for Boeing has been worse as time passes. Previous year in March, Boeing 737 MAX were grounded after 2 fatal crashes. This caused Boeing to lose a lot of its revenue, and now pandemic has made bad situation more worse. Things are going bad for Airbus as well. Airbus is also thinking to cut its employee. According to data, Boeing and Airbus has delivered 4 and 49 aircraft in July 2020 in compared to 19 and 69 deliveries at the same time previous year. Talking about new order, Airbus 2020 gross order by July 31st totaled 369 aircraft net order after cancellation of 302 aircraft, whereas Boeing gross order throughout July totaled just 59 aircraft after cancellation of 416 orders. Talking about money loss, according to IATA, airlines are expected to lose $84.3 billion in 2020 for net profit margin of minus 20.1%. Revenue will fall by 50% to $419 billion from $838 billion in 2019. In 2021, losses are expected to cut to $15.8 billion as revenue raised to $598 billion. After pandemic is over, aviation industry will take 2 to 3 years for full recovery. This all information paints a clear picture regarding present and future of aviation industry. Currently, restriction on air travel has been lifted to little extent, which has opened path for airline to operate flight. Airlines are working, but not to their full extent. Still, airlines are losing a lot of money. We hope that this situation will end fast and we will be able to recover as fast as possible. That is all for this video. Thank you everyone for your valuable time. Hope the video might have been informative to you. If you have come this far, then please like and share the video. And if you like the content of the channel, then please subscribe to it. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get all the updates regarding our upcoming videos. You can follow us on social media as well. Link for all the social media account will be given in description down below. Until next time, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.